Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Jasmine's Fashion YouTube channel. This video is about the top 3 best skincare products for glowing skin for men. Number 1 on the list is Minimalist B12 Repair Complex Moisturizer. This ultra-light, fast-absorbing moisturizer handles men's daily skin stress. With vitamin B12, 5 ceramides, and vitamin B5, it deeply hydrates, reduces irritation, and strengthens the skin barrier for a clear, calm, healthy look. Number 2 in the list is Simple Refreshing Face Wash. This face wash gently clears dirt and excess oil without draining men's skin. So free and fragrance free, it suits all skin types. With Pro Vitamin B5 and Vitamin E, it keeps your skin clean, fresh, and comfortably hydrated. Number 3 on the list is Requell's Oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. This sunscreen gives men safe, lightweight sun protection without harsh chemicals. It seals the skin from UVA UVB rays for up to 6 hours, helps prevent irritation and breakouts, and keeps your face looking fresh, calm, and healthy even in hot sunlight. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.